New Zealand, nestled in the South Pacific Ocean, is called the youngest country on Earth because every other landmass had been discovered before any humans set foot here. Now you can have your own personal beehive in this gorgeous country. Your Pure Honey brings you this very limited experience. An exclusive partnership means you can have luxury honey collected from your own beehive and sent to you anywhere in the world. Chemical-free honey gathered from remote, unpolluted forests. Your bees will collect nectar from manuka trees and produce the unique active manuka honey. It's nature's antibacterial, promoting wellness and scientifically proven to heal. We'll give you a private website, DVD and photos of your individual beehive and its beautiful surroundings, so you can show your friends and family the unique story of where your honey comes from. And you'll know you're caring for the environment. Each beehive provides the funds to sustain 2 hectares or 5 acres of natural forest.